Chinese archaeologists confirmed Thursday that a newly unearthed bronze sculpture at the famed Sanxingdui ruins site was successfully matched with another bronzeware part after being set apart about 3,000 years ago. Without the rear part of the body, the sculpture was recently excavated from the number 8 sacrificial pit. Archaeologists later found that another bronzeware part, which was unearthed from the number 2 pit in 1986, can perfectly match with the figure's lost body part.
整体的形态也是非常的优美，然后铸造技术非常的复杂，这件器物的发现发掘，一方面对于我们判断2号坑和3号，2号坑和8号坑之间的相互关系是有决定性的这样一个作用的。
Originally discovered in the late 1920s, the Sanxingdui ruins, located in the city of Guanghan, southwest China's Sichuan province, have been dubbed as one of the world's greatest archaeological findings of the 20th century.